A microwave oven heats food using microwaves, which are a type of electromagnetic wave. When you turn on the microwave, it generates these waves and directs them into the cooking chamber. The microwaves penetrate the food and make the water molecules inside it vibrate quickly. This rapid vibration produces heat, which cooks the food evenly and quickly. That's why microwaves are great for reheating leftovers or cooking meals in a hurry. The food absorbs the energy directly, so the container usually doesn't get as hot as the food itself. I'm trying to upload 1 to 2 videos per day. Stay tuned and don't forget to like and subscribe.